back to our regularly scheduled broadcasts. We'll get back to working on this one. So we finished up bonnet, roof, up and overs, depending which side you want to look at, spoiler, top of the boot lid. I'm going to try and probably make a start down driver's side because I need to spin the car around for the other side. And boot. I'm just going to see how we get on. Obviously this is following flat tyre gate saga, whatever you want to call it. Great fun, great start to an evening. I'm just going to set you up and crack on. I'll do it in fastish mode so it doesn't look too boring. Keep the video length down to about 5 minutes, so enjoy, let me know, comment, like, subscribe. It's coming on, it's hot again. As I always say, it's hot doing this sort of stuff. She gets some deep colour, and I like this, really nice. We need probably popping out and cleaning behind, which I've got to do around the boot shot anyway. At some point in this wash cycle. So, mental note, James, when you watch this back, pop the rear lights out and clean underneath them. Apart from that, it's going well. For a first pass, it's not bad. I'm just going to keep going and move on and try and get the bumper done. And then come back and refine it all. Whew. There we have first pass in the rear. I'm just going to keep going and refine it out. I want to go a little bit lighter on it, just to make sure I've removed any marks left behind, anything like that. I'm knackered. And then move down the side of it. The side's so much bigger than the back, and it's got a load of contours in it. Obviously it's got a couple of marks, you're not going to be able to implement. There's a chip. There's some scratching that might come out. We'll just see if we can refine it out a little bit. Honestly, like I said, it's not a correction, it's an enhancement. Got bits of polish and that. Let's kick around, but she's coming on. So I'm going to put you down, finish up the back. Probably grab a drink and come back on the side, see how far through we can get tonight. Oh, we've had a mare. I wasn't recording that. So I've just done wing, front door, bottom of rear door, and sill. Thought I'd recorded ya. Bugger. Oh well, you'll have to just take this, it's done for a first pass, and leave you on. wipe it off. Time is ticking by. I want to get a second enhancement done over this side. Just a bit of a less coarse cut. Make sure I've left no marring and buffer trailing and all the horrible stuff you don't want to see. I'm going to put it down, get wiping. And that is going to be the end of that for tonight with you guys. I'm going to keep going, but I'm knackered. Just getting a proper deep shine back. I can't even talk, I'm pooped. It looks so much different. She's coming on. She is coming on. Ooh. Black overlight on it. She's getting there. So I'm going to leave you there. I'm going to crack on and I'll pick you up for the next one, which I don't want to be. I might pick you up from the other side, but it's pretty much the same as this side. And front's going to be pretty much the same as the back. I might just get them done and pick you up. Oh, you guys sinking because I've got my hand rest on it. Pick you up maybe for the first coat of wax. Or we may have to wash them in between. We'll see how the dust is. But yeah, I'll see you then. Bye!